Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can add event to calendar on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. So in order to add the event, first we need to open the calendar. So let's go to the calendar over here. So we have the calendar by Samsung, and let's turn on auto sync. Now what we need to do is simply press this plus button in the bottom right corner, and now we can set up the event. We can set the title. Let's just say sorry. We can set the event to be for the whole day. We can also select the date if you want to. And if it's not for the whole day, we can also select the time period. At the bottom, we can also fill in the location. We can choose the email. We can choose when we want to be notified about this event. So we can set 10 minutes before, 1 hour before, 1 day before, or at the time of event, or we can press custom in order to set up our own alert. We can also choose if we want this event to be repeated, so we can set it every 1 day, or we can also tap on 1 in order to set a different value, so let's say every 5 days instead. And we can also set the duration. We can set forever for a specific number of times, and until. So if you select until, we can select the date. Now let's go back, and of course we can also add notes, we can add the video conference, we can add the attachments, we can add people by entering their name from contacts or by entering email. We can set the time zone, and after that we can press save, and there we go. Now we have an event added pretty much every single day. So after that, if you don't use the Samsung calendar, but you use, for instance, Google Calendar instead, then you can go to Google. And in my case, of course, I don't have the Google Calendar, so let me quickly download it. So of course you can download it from the Play Store. You can just type Google Calendar in order to find it, and then you can press install to install it. After you install it, you want to open it, and then over here you will also find your events. So you can press this plus button once again in the bottom right corner and choose event, and over here you can fill everything in a similar way, and after you are done you can press save in the top right corner. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.